What's up, Mooch Lifers? Welcome back to the channel. We're on vacation. I want to give you guys a tour of our cabin here in Luray, Virginia in the Shenandoah National Park region. As you can see, my cabin is right behind me. It's right here. You see it? It's beautiful. Obviously you can't see it. It's there though. It's down the mountain. Let's check it out. Give you guys a tour. If you're trying to stay in the Shenandoah National Park, maybe this is an option for you. So the steps go down to the cabin. We were standing right there on the road where you can't see the cabin and you can barely see it there. We're gonna show you guys. But while we're up top, here's your parking spot. The Bronco Sport's sitting there looking pretty. You could fit maybe 2 SUVs, 1 truck. You know, it's not a lot of parking there. And then we got our steps that lead us down to the cabin, so let's take them. And there it is. This is Mountain Music. It's an Airbnb. So we'll give you guys a quick tour. And if you're thinking about staying and hiking in the Shenandoah National Park, maybe this will be a good place for you to check out. So this is actually a side entrance to the cabin. There's 3 entrances. But we'll just pan around here and check out our little, I guess you'd call this like the side yard or the exit area, little pathway up to those steps. Just this area alone, it's kind of cute. Got a little table with chairs and the radio flyer wagon, which is probably just for decoration. But I guess if you have a little kid, they can play with that. Fencing, and then our doors to enter the inside. So let's go ahead and go inside and we'll show you what we have going on in here. So when you enter this first side entrance, as you step in, you're immediately into a bedroom. It's got a queen size bed. Obviously this is a cabin, so everything is wood themed. You get white ceilings, you get a ceiling fan, you got dish with TV, dresser, mirror action. There's a lamp, a little end table. So get your own bathroom right off the bedroom. So you come on in, you get a sink, you get your mirror action, pooper, and a shower. Open that up, you get a detached shower head there. Typical clean shower. Very nice, got some signage there. Some pictures. So that's bedroom 1 with the attached bathroom. There's more signage on the walls there. So we'll head out into this middle area, which is the center of the cabin. And you'll notice there's a wood stove. We haven't used it because it's the middle of summer, but if you stay here in the fall or winter time, you'll be able to use this guy. Put a log in there. Romantic, warm, why not? And there's the flute that goes up into the ceiling so that it vents. And then there's a half bath here. You can go ahead and open the door and you get a little mirror, you get a sink, toilet, light. Nothing fancy, but there you go. Get your own little private bathroom there, no shower in that one. There's a little nook in the corner. It's got a little table with some books. That's our host from the Airbnb welcoming us to the cabin. More signage. That is the vent for the AC. I believe that's where the AC pumps out. And there's a little chair here so you can sit and relax. There's a nice view to show you, but I'm going to skip that for the end. So we're going to go down so you can't see it, but that's what it's like if you're sitting here. And then we'll make our way down the step. This is the dining area. You got a little table there you can eat. Ample counter space. We bring the Keurig everywhere we go. There's a stove, little microwave. The crock pot is actually ours as well. Lighting on a track above. Basic fridge and freezer. 2-bay sink. Some more signage. You get cupboards here for all your plates, glassware, anything grocery wise you can put up in there. First aid kit provided above the freezer. And then we'll head into the living room. You got the couch, you got a little couch, TV with the dish. We've got a guitar that's provided if you want to play guitar. There's a telescope, but that's ours. We brought that. And that's basically the living area. It's got some cool signage on the walls. It's very pretty. Nice little cabin here. And then we'll go into the bedroom where we've been staying. It's just the exact opposite of the first bedroom. It's got a queen bed.
That's a king.
Oh, it's a king bed. Is that a queen over there?
No, they're both king.
Oh, my apologies. My wife just corrected me. They're both king beds. So you got that with the ceiling fan, glass doors, wall, dresser for all your things. And then you come around the other side here, and then there's another bathroom. So that's one of the cool things about this cabin, even though it's small in size. It has 2.5 baths. So you got a full shower in here. Same vibe as the other one. Another mirror, what's up? Sink, this one's a little nicer. Toilet. Some pictures on the wall. Very nice. What's that? Hello. Alright, you got a nice mirror in the bedroom. And then a TV hanging on the wall for your dish. So now what we'll do is we'll show you the outside area. We'll go out our master bedroom sliding glass door back to the outdoors. And this is our little patio area. Just like a narrow walkway. And you can see the skimmer that goes to the hot tub. We got a hot tub. There's a table that usually sits a little bit here-ish. We moved it closer to the hot tub. 2-burner propane grill included. The hot tub action. Oh yeah, beautiful. And when you're sitting in that hot tub having a good time, probably need to get the fog off. Now what's awesome about this cabin is when you're sitting in this hot tub and it is sunset here in the Shenandoah National Park area, this is what you're overlooking. You got a mountain view of the Massanutten Mountains, if I'm saying that correctly. It's beautiful. The sun literally sets right over the mountain, like right here. And it's a beautiful thing to witness while you're in the hot tub. The view alone is worth the price of admission here at Mountain Music Airbnb. And this is the front walkway or front porch, if you will, in the front of the cabin. That's facing the mountain as well. So that view that's so gorgeous from the outside, you actually get it from the inside too, because you got a window here, your big pane here, and more windows there. When we go inside this one, look where we're at. We're back in the living room. There's Tootie. And if we plop down on the couch, and there's your view. You can see the mountain from the living room. You can come over to the dining room area and you can see the mountain from the kitchen. So you can make your dinner over here. You can look out the window while you're cooking it. You can look out the window while you're eating it. And you can look out the window while you're sitting here. So, you know, if you're in the mood for some television, you can watch The Office. And then on commercial break, you can look out there, get your binoculars out. See if you can see any wildlife on the mountain. There's a little river that runs through there. We used our telescope and looked down there. We actually saw a kayaker on the river. It's probably hard to see, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful vibe. Very noisy at night. Lots of like crickets and insects in the trees making all kinds of noise. I would recommend highly that you get some bug spray if you're going to spend time outside here at night. Hope you guys like that tour of Mountain Music Airbnb. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I will answer them as honestly as I can. It's a beautiful place. We are enjoying every minute of it. It's a great place to stay. It's only a 20-minute drive from here to one of the entrances to the Shenandoah National Park, and it's nestled in between the first and second entrances from the north, which in my opinion are the more popular parts of the national park to begin with. So this is nestled right in a great area for you to go ahead and explore all you want on this mountain. So with that being said, thank you for watching this cabin overview, and hopefully it helps you decide while you're traveling to this area, region, this might be a cool place for you to stay. So with that being said, I'm Mooch. This is Mooch Life on the mountain. Peace out.